Let's get started. Hey everybody. So as you can tell by last week's trailer video, my friend did the voiceover there, so he kind of went a little overboard on the description of this video. Something like greatest movie in America, something like that. Well, it's getting there. If you're vegan, this video is probably not for you, but let's get started. Welcome back everybody to another episode of One Plate Gourmet. Today we'll be taking a look at how to make pork, and if you're vegan or Muslim, this episode is probably not for you, but let's get to it. Butter, blueberries, apple cider vinegar, orange marmalade, cranberry sauce, orange juice, garlic, an orange, string beans, thyme, pepper, and salt. First, we're going to mince up our garlic into fine sized pieces, and we'll use this to cook our string beans. Once this is done, we're going to place it in a bowl and set it aside. Then we're going to take our orange and cut it into 1/2 or 2 halves, and then cut those halves into halves, and then cut those halves into halves like so, and cut those other halves into halves. And then we're going to move on to sauteing our garlic, and we're going to add in our string beans. We're going to cook these for about 2 to 3 minutes on some olive oil on medium heat till it turns, nice and green. Next, we're going to heat up some oil over medium heat and laying our pork chop away from us, adding some garlic and thyme, and we're going to cook this for 3 to 4 minutes on both sides. So you cook it the first time and just season with salt and pepper lightly. It's a very thin strip, so no need to over season it. Then we're going to flip it. Once it's done, we're going to add some butter to it, about 2 tablespoons, season with salt and pepper, and let that cook for another 3 to 4 minutes while basting. Basting is just, letting the sauce marinate the juices while it cooks. After this is done, we're going to set it aside and let it rest. In that same pan, we're going to add in our 1/4 cup of cranberry sauce, orange marmalade, and orange juice, and about 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. And we're going to mix them till they're nice and blended in together. Just give it a good whisk till it's nice and consistent, and just simmer it for about a minute or 2. No need to add any excess sugar. Once it's all simmered down, we're going to take it off the stove and set it aside to plate our dish. Now that our pork has rested well enough, we're going to begin to cut into it against the grain, just like any good meat dish would be cut into. And then we're going to lay it on a bed of our string beans and pair them up like so. Then, just like the Mazda ad says, good things come in threes. We're going to top it off with our nice, sweet, juicy sauce. Fruit sauce. Yeah, I think I'm gonna call it fruit sauce. And then just garnish with some blueberries. And ladies and gentlemen, you're looking at the greatest pork dish you'll ever have. And there you have it. Like always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you'd like to see the trailer for this episode, click up here. If you want to see more, go ahead and click down there.
But I don't know how people put it in a smoothie. Do you even taste kale like that?